name is Gabe Springfield. This is one of the first videos I'll be making on this YouTube channel. I've got my 2009 Gixxer 750 out here today because I gotta give it a good clean because I'm going to a bike show tomorrow morning, which is kind of crazy because I've never been to a bike show before. It's almost been a year since I painted this bike, which is kind of wild. Now, unfortunately, this bike gets pretty dirty easily because, well, I just moved here to the state of Maine and I no longer have my garage or paved driveway. There's a whole lot of dirt here. So I gotta give this thing a good wash. And I gotta get all this little crap off of it. There's like some weird smudges here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But those will come off pretty easily. Let's hit it with some of this, like this turtle wax. It does a pretty good job. Makes it shine. But I'll be taking off nice and early tomorrow morning to go meet one of my good friends, Lewis, who's actually going to do all the filming, or most of the filming and editing for this channel, because I really don't know how to do any of that. I can just do the mechanical work, which hopefully we'll get him doing soon too, once we get a garage up. So I kind of want to, we'll figure it out, but I'm thinking of putting something over here, like a 3-bay or something cool like that. Once we get that up, we're gonna do some really cool stuff. So I got some big plans. I got quite a few different motorcycles actually I want to get worked on. I want to do some more custom work to this thing, just besides the paint. I have an exhaust on it, nothing too crazy, a tune. I got some carbon, which I actually really like. It's legit carbon. The bike actually, it came with, I think this used to be, it was like a fake pattern, which I hate fake carbon. So I painted over that, or I sanded it down and painted it. Get this nice. This is actually Brandywine from House of Color. We'll get some better shots tomorrow at the bike meet when the sun's out, because it really shines. This paint is loaded with metallics. It's pretty awesome. I also powder coated these rims, which they're a bit dusty right now. But like I said, once we're at the bike meet tomorrow, and I'll have these all cleaned up, make them shine. But it's gonna look pretty good. It's got to get nice and clean. Let's get this all this junk off of here. It gets so dirty out here. All right, so I'm gonna work on getting this bike all cleaned up now, and I'll meet back with you guys tomorrow morning. We'll get all geared up and hop on the bike. I got about an hour and a half drive to go meet with Lewis, and then we'll drive to the bike meet from there. So I'll see you guys then. All right, it's now Sunday morning. Geared up, ready to go. I got the bike all clean. I think the sun catches this right. There we go. Pretty good looking. I think my Insta's picking up my helmet audio, so I hope it's good. But I'm gonna start this thing up real quick, let it warm up, and we'll get out there. Alright, I gotta stop and get some gas on the way over. So I'll see you guys there. Alright. I am back. We made it to the gas station. We've got 50 minutes left. We're supposed to be at Lewis's by 10. We're getting there at 10:10. We made it to Blood, Sweat, and Gears. With the power of editing, Lewis magically teleported me and my Gixxer here off the streets of Maine. Got some pretty cool bikes today. It's pretty awesome. I can't believe it got chipped. It got chipped on the way in today. So sad. Look at that. It's alright though. Just something else we need to repaint anyway. So I didn't have this in the video I recorded earlier at the house. Black Sharpie does wonders on frame scratches. didn't actually see that. You didn't see that. I wasn't actually there. Olds. Like all these little, it's all over the place. Like an hour last night, just coloring and scratches with Sharpies. Right, we'll take the whole bike apart when we have a garage, and then we'll powder coat the frame, the subframe, and the swing arm, and that and then matte black. That's a big project though for later. That's definitely a garage project. Not doing that out on the dirt driveway. We got a bunch of really buff dudes doing some arm wrestling. How cool is that?
Weld it up.
Yeah, got a bunch of Bugattis.
These are sick.
Yeah, that one's pretty cool. A lot of V2s here. Yeah.
But I gave up my home to see down the silence.
See the brand? No, we're good. I got 4 out there right now.
I can't get over that Datsun. I think it's so clean.
Datsun is this?
Oh, yeah. That is so cool. Dude, we need to add an acrylic to the collection at some point. They're pretty cool.
Thank you. My wife just throws it down anyway. So we want to go?
Yeah. 13 mile coat. That is cute.
That's 2003.
We're gonna be showing off
Yeah,
over
those
there.
there on the farm on there.
That's got that titanium pipes on it. Look at that color. Pretty crazy. I've never seen any gas stuff in person actually. This is the first place I've seen any bikes. Dude, we need a sidecar for you. There's a really easy way to tell if a bike has a dry clutch or not. Is if you come over here and look, there's actually no fluid. Pretty crazy. I like this bike. Being a Royal Enfield fan.
Let me tell you.
This thing's really clean. I like the army scheme to it. I don't know if they come stock like this or not though. I don't know how custom it is, but I like it though. Made like a gun. That's cool. That's really cool. That is cool. I like that. I really like that color. This is cool too. I think this is a 2-stroke. I could be wrong. No, it is. This is a 2-stroke.
I think that's 3 pipes too.
Yeah, it does. It's got the 3 pipes. Look at 1, 2, 3. That's so cool. That is so cool. That is awesome. Dude, I can't even imagine the power band on this thing. What is it rev to? Absurd. I figured it'd be higher. Looks like it's only 10K, 11K. Dude, that doesn't even have too many miles on it either. Oh yeah, 17K. That ain't bad. This is cool bike. Oh my goodness. It's a Gen 2 booster. Oh man, look at that thing. It's stretched though. And I can't really say my opinion on stretch bikes because we're going to try and make this a family-friendly channel. Oh, look at that. He's got the ratchet strap on the front suspension. Means he's a fast boy. The first and the rest is down. Oh, really? Yeah, it's a lot easier to strip down when you're taking off. Exactly, yeah. I didn't think of that. Way easier. So a lot of bikes, all you gotta do is most of them have this one that's like a set screw right there. You just loosen that up, turn it 180 degrees and you're good to go. I don't think anyone's noticed this yet, but on this left hand grip, one of my set screws fell out. And I have an old bolt from my fuel tank holding it in. I know you're about to come around this side to see it. It's underneath right here. It's sticking way out. Because I was riding and then my grip just loosened up and I was spinning like a... So I grabbed an old fuel tank bolt and just jammed it in there. It's working great though. So that was the end of Blood, Sweat, and Gears. We had a good time. We didn't win, unfortunately. It's because they hate beautiful pieces of work like this, but that's alright. Because we'll get them next year. Now I have about an hour and a half drive back, and so I gotta hit the road, but we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.